Hi guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for a matcha ice cream. With this ice cream, you can flavor it with any type of flavorings you like. So to start, we're going to place some heavy whipping cream into a big bowl. Next, I'm going to go in with some sweetened condensed milk, a pinch of almond essence. You don't want to put too much essence to overpower the flavor of the matcha. Next, I'm going to grate in a pinch of nutmeg. And I'm going to go in with my matcha powder, but you'll notice that I'm going to sift it. The reason we're sifting the matcha powder is so that we can get any lumps out of the powder. Once sifted in, go ahead and whip until it's creamy and well incorporated. A quick tip I'll give you guys is if you wanted a really green matcha, you can probably add a pinch of food coloring to this. Next, strain this out into your freezer container. Again, we're straining for lumps. Cover and freeze until it's ready to be served. Once it's ready, you can go ahead and scoop it out and enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I'd like to say thank you to Matcha Me for the matcha that was used in this recipe. If you guys make this, let me know what you think. I'm really excited for you all to try it. It's very easy to put together. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.